Hi guys, it is Peter here. It's Monday morning. I wish you all the best in your trading guys for the whole week. Yeah, I want us to look at Euro US dollar. I want us to look at Euro US dollar and apply each and every information that I share. I want us to look at Euro USD. I'm not sure if I have to go to a higher time frame, but let's just use the smaller time frame, which is going to be the time frame, and see what is actually happening. The reason why I say smaller time frame on daily time frame is because of you guys know that I mostly use higher time frames such as 3 months, monthly to 12. So now looking at what we have on Euro USD right now, you can see that we have a trend line here. You see the trend line. This trend line is on daily time frame. Remember, you're looking for the first time and the second time. When you step in and execute, when the market returns to, you get touch, right? Now you see that the market is pushing up. As you see that the market is pushing up, what else do you want to check? Let's say maybe you missed this opportunity to get in here. What can you do? Wait for the market to show you the structure of an uptrend. Therefore, you'll be looking for opportunities. Remember, whenever the market is going down, you'll see a structure like this one, right? Now you know that we have a downtrend. Whenever the market is giving us a structure like this one, you must know that now we have an uptrend. This one is downtrend. This one is uptrend. Whenever we have an uptrend, you see higher highs. Whenever we have a downtrend, whenever we'll have a downtrend, you'll have lower lows, uptrend, higher higher. Do not make that mistake. Now, sharp. Always check the trend. Right now on daily time frame, we can see that the structure here, it looks like this. You see what happened? They push down, they went higher, they came back down, they went higher again. Now, what are they doing? They are coming somewhere here, and they continue with the trend. As they are pushing up, we're meeting previous resistance. You will see how the market's going to react on that resistance on our left-hand side. And again, it will also depend on the trend that we have as the market is pushing up. Remember, whenever you're going to take a decision, you need to also check the previous trend, which is the downtrend and the current trend as well. For more confirmation on the trend, let's look at the trend to confirm the change of direction first. This one is very much important, guys. And once again, I was away for a while, guys, trying to fix so many things, but I think I'm done now. Now I'm just working on the website. Done. Now let's look at this here. Let's look at this. You had a trend line here. First time here. Second time here. Where you were supposed to sell, the market decided to go up. That means the trend line was broken. As the trend line was broken on daily time frame, the following day, the market came back to test the broken trend line to show that now we are pushing the market up. What is it that we must do with this information now? We know that we are pushing the market way up. Look at this again. This one is very much important. Whenever you're analyzing, take your time. You're not just jumping just because of you want to see yourself buying or selling. Take your time and prepare for your trades. And remember, do not forget to trade your trading plan. Do not forget to trade your trading plan. Not just assume that the market is going up based on the size of the candlestick. You don't do that here. Now, that you see that the trend line that was broken here, the market came back to test the trend line. That means we're going to break this resistance and go up. As you can see, the resistance was broken. Let's push a little bit to our left-hand side. On our left-hand side, what is it we have? The support, it was broken. It became a resistant one. The market went down. It came back again to test what? The resistance. Once you can see now they've broken the resistance. Remember, I said the more touches, the weaker the level. Doesn't matter what is it you are trading. It might be trend line, it might be support and resistance. The more touches you have, the weaker the level. That is why I always say it is very much important for anyone to get the first few trades. Let's say, for an example, you notice that the market decided to break the trend line. Now, the support. What is it that you do? You wait for the market to come back and test the trend line. What do you do as soon as they test the trend line? You step in, you do what you sell. And then how are you going to place the stop loss? So they'll take profit. Your take profit will be based on your left-hand side. Now that you see that the market is pushing down, you're good. Let's say the market decides to come back. You can take this one again if you want to. Sometimes the market will respect the resistance twice. Sometimes it can go up to 3 to 4 times. But then remember, the strong one is the first one and the second one. The strong one is the first one and the second one. The second one is also strong when the market is going to down trend. Or let's say maybe the market is going up. They decided to break the previous support. And then once they break the previous support, it will become a trend line. I'm sorry, it will become a resistance. They decided to break the resistance, right? And then the market is going up. So what's going to happen? They will push all the way up, and then they will come down to test what? The support. And then they might also go up and test this resistance again, the minor one up to it, and then they'll also come down to this support again, and then they continue with the trend. That is how many times? 1, 2. But then if it happens that it comes back for the third touch, the higher the chance that the market might break and go down. That means the market has failed to go up. So it might be the first one and the second one, and the second one is supposed to break and go to the upside. Same thing when the market is going down. Let's go again and check more. Now, what I want us to check, let me erase things fine. Let's look again. What else do we have? Remember, we need to have more confirmation based on the change of direction. Now, let's check the whole trend. The market started here to become a what? A downtrend. Now, what are we looking for here? We take our trend line and place it up there and break all the way down. How many touches do we have here? It's 1, 2, and then the third touch, the market touched the trend line. This one, look at what happened here. This is so nice. The market gave us the third touch here. You can see after they have broken this trend line, they pushed all the way up to this trend line, the one that I just drew now. And then the market pushed all the way down to test the broken trend line to signal a buy now. And then what happened? The market rejected this trend line to push, or let me not use the word rejected. The buyers stepped in here to push the market up. And then what happened here? They created a continuation pattern. The sellers decided to step in to sell, but they failed. And then a continuation pattern was also created here. Therefore, what are we looking for now? We are looking for the breakout. Here is the breakout. It happened. Now, what is the market about to do on daily time frame? It is about to test the continuation pattern and what else? And the resistance that was broken as a support. What are we looking for? We will be looking for buy opportunities. This one is very much interesting because of we have traders who are trading. Let me erase here. We have traders who are trading what? PCPs. And what are they going to do? They're going to be looking for buying trades. Now, and then again, we have traders who are trading what? Trend lines. Trend lines. What are they going to be looking for here as well? They're going to be looking for what? Buying trades. Again, what else do we have? We have a breaker structure. We had a resistant. Okay, let me just say area, and then on the fifth area, what are we looking for? Buy opportunity as well. When it happens like this, it means the higher the chance that the market will change the direction and continue with the trend, with the trend, because of these patterns signals that we're supposed to be looking for buyers. We're supposed to be looking for buying opportunities. Look at this again. All of them, they're gonna meet in one place, which is here. Those who are trading continuation pattern, they will step in here. Those who are trading breaker structure, they will also step in here. Those who are trading broken trend line, they will step in on the trend line as well. What are they all doing? Buying, buying, buying. The higher the chance that the market will continue to the upside. This one is very nice when you approach the market like this. Take your time when you analyze, check almost everything. Do not just jump in because of you want to buy or sell. Jump in just because of you know that you have certain things that signals that you're supposed to buy. If there's no opportunity, do not create one. Wait for the right opportunity. Now let's go down with the time frame to see what is it we have. Now we'll move to 4-hour time frame. Before we move to 4-hour time frame, let's check. Now with this information, we'll move to our far left. Here, what is it we have? A support. Our support was also broken here. Support, it was broken, it became a resistance. Therefore, it means the market will come back to this level. And then we see what is happening as soon as the market returns to this level. It gives us the right signal to step in and buy here, and then we'll focus on this uptrend. If they left something here, that to accelerate the trend, to continue with the uptrend. Remember, you use what is given to you. You don't just think, oh, okay, fine, now I feel like this is what is going to happen. No, you use what is given to you. Remember, trend line, you know very well, okay, trend line is signal over to you're supposed to buy. That means you must be looking forward buying opportunities, right? Sharp. Let's go to smaller time frame. Of which is gonna be 4-hour time frame. Let's look at 4-hour time frame. If it is your first time you come across this video, this YouTube channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me just erase almost here so that my chat will be clear. Now we know the trend. Knowing the trend, this is very much important. Knowing the trend is very much important. And once you know the trend, everything becomes easier. You don't need to sweat. For an example, if you know how to get the trend, or you know how to analyze as well, it's all in the same thing, you'll mostly find accurate trades. Let's look at this now on this time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. I want us to confirm the structure. Here you go. First high, and then you see the structure. The structure is giving us what? Buy opportunities. And you see that the market is creating what? Higher high. And then I'm expecting the market to continue with the trend. The market is giving us higher high. This is what we must confirm, guys. Before you find yourself stepping in, buying or selling, these are the things that you need to check. Check the trend, confirm the direction of the market. Now, if you have confirmed the direction of the market, you will know very well where to step in. You won't just jump in just because of you want to buy or sell. You'll buy for a reason. Because let me just say this one, because it's very much important. Do not just buy in the market if you don't have the proper reason to buy. Do not just sell if you don't have the proper reason to sell. If I don't make sense, maybe someday I'll make sense. Here, what is it we have? A trend line on 4-hour time frame. Can you see our trend line? It's your first time here. It's your second time here. What are we looking for here? We are looking for the third touch. On the third touch, look at this again. What is it we have here? A breaker structure. Let's put like this. This is your zone. This is your resistance. This is your resistance. So you can see the touches. It's 1, 2, 3. On the third touch, the market pushed down again. On the fourth touch, the resistance was broken. Now it became a what? A support. But I'm not going to buy immediately here because of the continuation pattern on daily time frame. And again, when you look at what happened here, there's a gap. So they might push all the way up to fill the gap and then they continue with the downtrend and then boom, the market continues with the uptrend. Let's check again. Let's verify. We'll verify almost the trend. Looks like this. You can even see the trend line that was broken. And again, you have a minor support. I'm sorry, you have a minor resistance there, resistance was broken. It became a support. That means the market is on the upside. The market is going up. Now, your job is to focus on your left-hand side. On your left-hand side, what is it you have? You have the resistance there. That's your resistance. As you have your resistance there, mark it. And wait. Now, look at this. How many touches do we have here? Let's count this one as 1, 2, and then we're going to get the third touch there or somewhere here. It will depend on how the market's going to accelerate, pushing all the way up. And then if it happens that the market will come back down somewhere, you might have a continuation pattern or something here that will push the market higher. Same thing that happened here. You can see the touches. It's 1, 2, and then the touch. On the fourth touch, what happened? Remember, I said earlier, the more touches you have, the weaker the level. That one you must take it serious. The more touches, the weaker the level. If you are out there, you want to find yourself trading support and resistance, better look for 2 touches. Once you get 2 touches, do not come back and buy or sell after the touches, the 2 touches. For an example, here is your first touch, you can sell. Here is your second touch. Look at how the market went down. Now look at the third touch on 4-hour time frame. Yes, you're going to eat here, but it's not enough. You're going to get something, but it's not enough. Your risk to reward was not going to balance enough here. So whenever you are taking a trade, look for a trade that will make your risk balance. Your risk must always be smaller than your reward. Always. Your risk must go close to 5 times to your reward. Therefore, you know that your trade is very good if it is like that. Remember, guys, this information, you can use it anywhere in the market. It's not only for Euro, USD only. All right, let's check again. What is it we have that we can use here? Let's change the time frame to see more information that is given to us. We have 3-hour time frame. On 3-hour time frame, what is it again? Just this one. On 3-hour time frame, I get a continuation pattern here, and then the trend line as well. That was, we don't know how long are they gonna take to get to this trend, to this broken trend line on 3-hour time frame. That means as I'll be going down with the time frame, I'll see this trend line, and then the continuation pattern as well. Remember, on a higher time frame, of which is daily, we have a continuation pattern here that says we're gonna push the market up. What I did here, I went to smaller time frame to go deeper with the analysis to check what is actually happening. Mostly if you are working, you don't want to find yourself going time frame to time frame when you are analyzing. You know very well that your entry is gonna be here, your stop loss is going to be below. You are done. But now, if you are free, you have time, then you can go deeper to smaller to time frame to check what is actually happening up until you get to a point where the market's gonna go accurately. Now you know that, okay, from here, this is my buy zone. My stop loss is gonna be below. You know very well that I have the first time touch of the trend line here and the second time touch of the trend line. So if the market's gonna break the trend line and reach this roughly to this level, the market is a downtrend now. Now you know that the market is a downtrend. So remember, you have the continuation pattern and the broken trend lines as well, and a new trend line as well. Everyone is observing this level, or let me say this zone. But all of the zones we have here, they correspond. They are all giving us what? Buy opportunities. Can you see that? If it is your first time again, you come across my YouTube channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. If there is something you do not understand, please do not forget to let me know in the comment section, to let me know which part or what is it you don't understand, so that I can explain to you. All right, let's go down with the time frame again and see what is actually happening. That was a 3-hour time frame. Now we'll push to 2-hour time frame to see what is actually happening on 2-hour time frame. On 2-hour time frame. Remember, go through all the time frames. Do not just take one time frame and think you're done. All right. So now, if you look closer, what is it you see here? A gap that's supposed to be filled, and then a minor support. The support was broken. You can see that the market went below the support here. You can just put your horizontal line like this. And then if the market's going to close roughly below, it will go up to test this continuation pattern. It reaches these three levels or confluence of which is going to be the continuation pattern, the broken trend line, and the trend line as well. And then therefore, that's when the market will change the direction. But still, as much as the market's going to do that, the structure is still giving us the uptrend. Can you see that? Look at the structure. Can you see that? Let's do something like this. And then we continue with the trend. Can you see that? The market is giving us what? Higher highs. That means we continue with the trend. On which time frame? This is 2-hour time frame. Remember, check all the time frames for you to get something that is accurate. Do not also jump in just because of you feel like jumping in. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. Whatever I did here, go and open your chart and see what is it you're going to find. Now we are pushing to 1-hour time frame, so we want to know what is it we have on 1-hour time frame. All right, this is our 1-hour time frame. So our 1-hour time frame looks like this. Here, the market pushed all the way down to this level, of which is the resistance we had on the left-hand side. You can see that they just tested the resistance, and then they pushed the market up. Here is the continuation pattern. Now, the continuation pattern is pushing the market down to roughly this level. And if they're going to break this continuation pattern, this trend line is going to push the market up. And then we continue with the trend. That trend line is going to push the market up, and then we continue with the trend. That's how it's supposed to be. Whatever you do, take your time. Whenever you analyze, take your time. Do not just jump in just because of you feel like you have to buy. Buy because of you know what is it you have paid. That will cause the market to continue buying or to continue selling. Remember, guys, for you to become profitable, you must just have a proper strategy or pattern, and then follow your trading rule. Once you follow your trading rule, you will see the results. But if you don't have a trading plan, you don't have a trading rules, it's a problem. Because of you'll find yourself jumping in everywhere all over. For example, you just come here and see, oh, this candlestick was once read up until this level. You did not even notice that on your left-hand side, there's a resistance. So that's why the market will change the direction. You decided to sell you just because of you saw a red candlestick going down. You sell, the market rejects and go up. And then after hitting the stop loss, you'll be like, oh, flip, I was supposed to buy. Oh, now I see there's a resistance there. So it was broken, became a support, that means an uptrend. You start buying, then the market comes down. You keep on taking unnecessary losses. You see that, oh, here's a second time touch of the support. Or, okay, I can see the size of this candlestick. It's very huge. What does that mean? It's a beautiful sell. You start selling. You sell here, check. What happened here? There's a minor support and resistance. Here is your support, it was broken, became a resistance. So if you do not understand what you are doing in the market, you'll face more difficulties. So the best thing that you can do for yourself is to trade according to your trading plan, according to your trading rules. Do not just jump in because of you want to jump. You want to find yourself trading. Sometimes you have to normalize no trading, not because of you don't want to, but because of there is no opportunity for you to trade. Once you master this thing that I'm talking about right now, you won't find difficulties when it comes to approaching the market. Remember, this information is not only for currencies only. You can use it anywhere. This one is not for currency pairs only. It works even on deriv. You can use it. Let's use it deriv and see. Let me erase everything here. Now you know the direction of the market. You can go to 45 minutes if you want to. You can go to 30 minutes if you want to. It's your choice. But I hardly go to these time frames. Now you know the direction of the market. Let's verify something. 3, 4, the market came back down. We don't just buy because of we feel like buying, guys. We buy because of we see something that we might use. Let me check something again. Can you see this one? This one is also giving us a beautiful channel. This one is also giving us a beautiful channel, giving us a structure that looks like this. And then it continues pushing up. I don't know how far this one might go though, but we might have something similar to this one. And you can see that. We might have something looking like this. This one is clear. And then there's this continuation pattern we had here. So it makes it much stronger. The continuation pattern is matching with the trend line. So we have two patterns that are matching. It's continuation pattern and the trend line. Both of them are giving us what? Buy opportunity. And both of them, they are also inside what? They are also inside a buy zone from daily time frame. So if you are using daily time frame, you know very well that where you're supposed to step in and buy. What we did here, we just went to smaller time frame to verify the direction of the market. There's nothing much. Everything was done on daily time frame. And remember, if you are one of those who analyze on higher time frame and then you go to smaller time frame to look for your entries, remember, as you'll be going down to smaller time frame, once the smaller time frames are not corresponding with the direction of higher time frame, do not take any entry if it's like that. Do not take anything. Guys, for an example, stop this thing of yours. Now you see that, okay, you can go, or you can even see for yourself that the market is coming down to this level. And then you decide, I know what, if I can step in here, I can get something. If I can step in here, I can get something until the market reaches this level. You might get something from another trade. But from this one, you decide, okay, I did it to the previous one, I want to get in here, and then the market reverses. That's a loss that you're not supposed to take. Now, if you see that the market is coming down to this level, be patient enough to wait for the market to reach this trend line. It doesn't matter how long it's gonna take the market to come down to that level. It might be weeks, not even weeks, because I'm on 30 minutes. Something like this might happen. Something like this might happen. And then boom. Later on, the market continues pushing up. Can you see that? So whatever you do, take your time. And if the market did not reach your point of entry, do not step in and buy, do not step in and sell. You'll find yourself taking losses that you're not supposed to take. I'm not sure if we are moving together. And guys, as of today, I'll be more sorry guys, I'll be more active on YouTube. I'll keep on posting new stuff. As long as you also guys gonna be active with me, leave comment. Let's work together so that I can keep on sharing more information. And then my website is coming back, guys. I'm working on the website. The website is still the same, but so many information that I have lost. So what I'm going to do, I'll just finish the website by the end of today. So I'll share more details of what I'm going to share with you. What is it I'm going to give you guys? So now, let's look at the tariff pair and see if we're gonna see the same information. Not sure which one to check specific, but mostly I enjoy looking at the jumps. Even if we can go, let's look at this one. This one is volatility 25 index. This is volatility 25 index. Unfortunately, with this what they call with this trading view, you cannot see almost everything here. You cannot almost see everything. Why? Because it's a new thing. It's a new thing, so there's no information where it's coming from, right? Now, but if we look here, you can see here your breaker structure. That's your breaker structure. And then you look at the trend. Let's focus on the current trend now, which is downtrend. Before we focus on the current trend, you can see what the market was creating, higher highs, right? Let's move to 8 hours. You can see the market was creating higher, 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 high. The structure looked like this. Down, up, down. It was creating higher highs. Now look at what happened. The market came back to this level, and then it went up a little bit, and then came down. Now we don't know where the market's gonna reach. If it reaches this level and goes back up, we have a beautiful downtrend. We look for opportunities. We continue. What are we going to get here? A minor support. We go back up a little bit. We continue with the trend up until we reach this level. It's simple as ABC. Now your job is to understand the direction of the market first before you go and look for your entrance. Remember, it is very much important for you to check the direction of the market before you find yourself looking for entries. Right now, what I want us to do, we go to 4-hour time frame and see what is it we get on 4-hour time frame. Let's verify almost everything. And verify almost everything here. See the uptrend. Let's verify again. Here. This one might be more visible. Smaller time frame. It did not reach the trend line that was broken. It's fine. Now you see that instead of the trend line, we had a minor support. So the support we had here, it was broken, it became a resistance. The market pushed all the way down to this level. This is the new low. This is the structure of a downtrend now. So what happened? The market tried to push all the way up, but it failed. So if they break, if they go down to roughly this level, your entry is supposed to be here. Once they reach this support, wait for the market to go up a little bit, and then you can take your sell opportunity, and then you continue with the downtrend. Okay. Remember, if we something like this, and then that's the resistance that we have from the left hand side and also on higher time frame. So your resistance was broken, supposed to become what? Supposed to become your support. So let's put it like this. So this is where you're gonna get your support. Now, as you're gonna get your support there, use the trend line and push it all the way up. That means we do have a chance of the market going deeper here to roughly this level. Let's go back to daily and look at the 5. On daily, what is it we have? First time touch, second time touch, and then there's a continuation pattern there, and again we have a support there. The higher the chance that the market might reach this level. It can penetrate the trend line a little bit, and then it reaches and then continues with the uptrend. Why here specific? There's a break of structure, support. It's not a resistance, it was broken. It became a what? It became a support here. Guys, this information is the same everywhere. The only thing that you need to apply is to know what you are doing in the market. If you are trading support and resistance, wait for the market to break the resistance so that you can get in. Wait for the market to break the support so that you can get in. Even if it did not break, as soon as it reaches the support, you know what to do because of you are trading support and resistance. If you use candlestick patterns on support and resistance, wait for that candlestick patterns to show up so that you can get in. If you just execute as soon as the market reaches the trend line or the resistance, you know what to do. This information guys, you can use it anyway. It's the same. Your job is to know where you're supposed to get in the market. Don't just jump in just because of you feel like, you know what, if I can get in here, I'll find myself making money. Looking at this one is straightforward. Starting from a higher time frame, this is daily time frame. Look at this. When I say this is straightforward, this is what you must do. From here, what is it you have? First time, right? Move this one to the right. What is it you have there? This one is jump 10 index. This is your first time. This is your second time. Your trend line was broken. As it was broken, the market went down. As the market went down, it came back up to test what? The broken trend line. Can you see that? There's highlights here. Those who are trading broken trend lines, they're going to step in there and sell. What are they looking for there? They are looking for sell opportunities, right? All right, what else do we have? We have a trend line on our left, I'm sorry, a support on our left-hand side. Traders who are trading support and resistance, they're going to step in here and sell because of they had support that was broken. And once the support is broken, it becomes a resistance. This is our flipping area where our support was broken, it became a resistance. That means we're supposed to look forward there. We're supposed to look for sell opportunities. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. So here, as you can see, the support was broken. It became a resistance. Now, here's the trick part. This is 24 hours. That means it's daily, right? If it is daily time frame, when was the support broken? 17 January. When did they test the support? 24 January. What do you do in time? You do nothing but waiting for the market to come back and give you the entry here so that you can speculate to what and sell. What else do you have here that shows that you're supposed to find yourself selling? You have a continuation pattern that shows that here we have a continuation of the trend. If we have a continuation of a trend, it means that the market is continuing with the actual direction. And what's the direction? It's a downtrend. So what does this mean now? We have 3 types of traders that are going to meet in one place and look for trades that are the same. So we have traders who are going to be trading. Let me just make this one here. We have traders who will step in and do what here and sell. First, we're going to use the trend line. We're going to use the trend line, and not the bouncing trend line. What are they going to do here? Sell. And what else do we have again? Traders who are trading PCPs. What are they looking for? Sell opportunity. We have traders who are trading support and resistance, support and resistance. What are they doing? Selling. Right. All of these type of traders, they are looking for what? Sell opportunities. So this one is very much important, guys. Whatever you do in the market, make sure that you check such things. Do not just jump in and decide to buy or sell just because of you feel like. And now with this information or with what I did here, I managed to get everything on which time frame? On the time frame. Guys, I prefer to trade on a higher time frame. Higher time frames are very accurate and clear. You see everything ahead. Let's go to smaller time frame so that you can see why I prefer higher time frame. I'll go to 1 hour time frame. I want you to focus on the break structure. Mathi bheka lesiphithiphithi esila. Isiphithiphithi sisodwa. And omunye might get lost. The market is going up or down. The market is going up now. Why do you say so? You can see here the market went up to the continuation pattern, came back down. There's a continuation pattern, the market will break and go up. It's you thinking, you know what, they are supposed to be looked for by opportunity. What else? On a higher time frame, everything is clear. Everything is clear on higher time frame. Let me erase again and then I zoom in so that you can see. You are here on this time frame. We check here the what here double top. And then as you have a double top, let's forget about the double top there. Let's check what is it we have here. It's a minor support. The minor support, it was broken. They came back to test it. That's a sell opportunity. As they were going down, what is it we had here? A continuation pattern. They came back to test a continuation pattern. We also went up to this minor resistance and then they continue with the trend. As they are going down, let's use a line chart. You will see here, they came back to test again the support thing. Look at this. The support, it was broken. They push all the way up to test it. I think if we go to smaller time frame, we might get a continuation pattern. Here, let me highlight it. We might get a continuation pattern somewhere here. Let's go down to 30 minutes and see what is it we have. Okay, on 30 minutes, there's nothing for now. Let's move to 15. Let me see what is it we have. Still there's nothing. Let's check 10. Well, there's nothing. Instead, we have a minor support that was broken. It became a resistance. That's the only thing we have there. Okay, now you see that, okay, fine. The structure that we got, it's a downtrend. We are on 10 minutes. What else do we have here? Put your trend line like this. Push it all the way down. Here you have the continuation pattern. You might push the market up to this level and then you continue with the downside. So you see that. So that you can see. Here you have the minor continuation pattern. And push this one somewhere there, and then we continue with the downtrend. Whenever you analyze, take your time. Don't just decide, I want to get in, I want to buy, blah, blah, blah. You'll find yourself taking unnecessary losses. Here, this is 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, use your first time touch, and then onto again, here your second time touch. Here you have a continuation pattern. Here's your continuation pattern. Again, look at what happened here. Put your horizontal like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? It's your support. Let's put it like this. It's your support. Your support's going to be broken soon. It's going to be broken soon. And then once they break this support, as they will be going down, this support will become a what? It will become a resistance. This one might be the place where the market's gonna reverse and go up. As this one's going to reverse and go up, you know very well that, okay, from here, we're supposed to be looking for what? We're supposed to be looking for certain opportunities. Again, look at this. Add your trend line like this from here and try to push it all the way up. And if they have broken this trend line, that means the market is pushing down. The trend line was broken here. And then it came back down. As the trend line was broken, it came back down. The market pushed all the way up to test the broken what? Trend line. And then supposed to become what? A down trend. I said it before. If it's your first time hearing such information, go back to my videos and check more videos I guess to do with trend line. You will see what I'm talking about. If you do have a question, feel free to ask. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're enjoying this content, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Let's check this one again. This one, let's see what it get here. Let's see what is it you get. Remember, when you analyze that way, higher time frame, let's go to daily and look at daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is what we have. Our support. Here's our support. And then almost in a support Lapayana. Lapayana senior resistance, the resistance was broken. That means we continue with the trend, right? Let's add here. There's a support that has 3 touches. I'm sorry, a resistance that has 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. Add your trend line as well here. Push it to the right side. Just observe. Oh, this trend line, it has several touches. I think it has several touches. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. So you can see there is 3 touches. Also add this one. This side. You see that it is very far. Here. I don't know why did the market tell me specifically. You can see on the left side. Okay, now let's focus on the actual uptrend. But remember, as much as we're going to focus on this uptrend, you need this downtrend, right? I'll erase again linear this trend line. And then I go to 8-hour time frame. On 8-hour time frame, what is it I see here? Another trend line starting there, going down like this. Can you see that? So we have the trend line, 1, 2, that touch, it went down. This trend line is also merging with the support page. I'm sorry, with the resistance page. So it's a resistant. Again, they have broken this resistance and went up. But we don't have much information here. So let's go to 4-hour time frame to see what is it we have on 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, we don't have much information. On 4-hour time frame, we don't have much information. All right. Yeah, our trend line is nice. And then what is it we have there? A continuation pattern. It was tested nice. It showed that we are pushing the market up, right? Take this horizontal line and place it up there. What is it you get? A resistance, the market came back to the resistance, and the market is rejecting this level. The market is rejecting this level on 4-hour time frame. Let's go and check on 2-hour time frame what is actually happening there. All right, now we are on 2-hour time frame. On 2-hour time frame, as we can see, they are rejecting this level. They pushed all the way down with the continuation pattern. They went all the way up again, they came back down. That is why we can see the rejection stay. So let's get a trend line to see what is it. It looks like this. This continuation pattern, it was tested by this candlestick, even though it looks as a what? As a supported resistance. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, this is what we have. on 1 hour time frame. This is what we have. This trend line is already used, so we can remove this one. This one is already used, we can remove it. Now that we see, let's see here on smaller time frame, we have something like this. Here is a good entry pushing the market up. Now we are here. What am I expecting with support? I'm sorry, resistant. You can see they try to push the market down, but they failed. Why? Because of the market is an uptrend. So what is it we have here? A minor support and resistance. So here's the resistance. It was broken. It became a support here. The market pushed all the way up. It came back down again. But eventually the market is pushing up. What is it you get? A continuation pattern. So what's your expectation or my expectation for the market to push up to that continuation pattern, and then it comes back to this level? That's a buy opportunity, and then you go up. What is it you're gonna get there? The continuation pattern, check my far left, and then it comes back down, and then up to that resistance on 1 hour time frame. That resistance level might be broken because you can see the touches we had. So 1, 2, 3, it's gonna be a 4th touch there. So the higher the chance that you might see something like this. And again, whenever you're going to be taking trades, it's not accurate. Whenever you're going to be taking trades, always observe. Sometimes they can change the whole direction. And as they're going to change the whole direction, you need to focus on the actual trend and see what is happening. For an example, if you're observing this one, the market might come down to this level. You must be okay with that. And if coming down, they end up breaking this level and come back and test, look for sell opportunity. The market is going down now. Things happen in the market. Don't just look at things in one way. You must have option B. If it happens like this, what is it you're going to do? If it happens like this, what is your plan again? I think for today, let me close here, guys. And I'll share this information once again. If it's your first time you come across my video and you enjoy this content, do not forget to like and subscribe. If there is something you want me to add, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to also share with your friends who are struggling and you want to help them with this information. Feel free to share it. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.